Hello guys, welcome back to Meeting Catalog. Today I just want to share part of me with you, how I go about my day. Yes, after knitting some project, I will just come and check this pretty snail that I'm having here. So the process is from egg to this. I hatch the eggs, but before getting the eggs, I have the big ones that I'm rearing. So from there, they lay some eggs for me, then I like incubate them and I get the juveniles. So some of them are big, like this one is up to like, you see, it's up to like 7 months, some 6, some 5. So just mix all of them together, let them grow up together. So this is what I do after knitting, just to come and relax with them, check them, apart from my dog that is disturbing during video. So that's it. I just say let me share this with you people. I rear snail, I take care of snail too. Just it's just an hobby, it's not as for business. Just let me see how this can go. Just want to see how they live, how they move, how they grow. You can see this is so pretty small. I even have the smallest one here. You can see I love them. I love them. This is where I incubate their eggs. Yes, I incubate their eggs here. This is their pen. Prepare for the egg. I put them in a crate of Coca-Cola. Then you don't remove their eggs with your hand. So where the big one is, when they lay eggs, I will just remove them with my tray and this plastic spoon, bring them down to this place to come and like plant them, bury them inside sand. And before you know it, maybe after 23, 28 days, they are coming out of the sand. Then I will just remove them and keep them here, then feed them with vegetables. At times good vegetables, not only pumpkin leaf. Look for maybe watermelon and give them. So this is what I do. Just want to share it with you. This is what I do after I'm done with knitting. It's either in the morning, if I feel like, or maybe around evening, we'll just come and check them. I do check them every day, water the sand every day. So I don't know how far this will take me, but I really enjoy this along with my knitting. So thank you for watching. I hope I didn't disturb you much. You didn't feel like this is not what you are expecting. I just felt that let me share this with you people. Thank you. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe as well and be with me on this ride. Thank you for watching. Bye.